certain things should happen only when you press the accelerator. However, that's only for the 48 volt system. The old 12 volt system, I still want to show the reverse backup light when the shifter is in reverse. I can plug this directly into the old power here, so it is operated only by the key. I'm going to take this switch out.
This one's screwed up. There we go. Switch is out.
And here we go. It's the old switch. So I need to put all the reverse blue wires at the top. I noticed there's this metal thing in the way right there. There's actually a groove there. So that's kind of cool. It's gonna keep it in that direction. All right, I need to switch wires around. All right, I swapped my wires so that the groove is at the top. So when I press up, the bottom wires will control going forward, and when I press down, the top wires will control going in reverse. All right, it's a little difficult to tighten this up, and the power lamp is where I get the power for 12 volts. I'm just gonna slide it on there. If I turn the key, I have no power. The other thing I notice is when I turn the lights on, the dashboard is not lighting up. The power from the key goes to these three, and my lights still don't work. What I figured out is you actually have to put the brake down or disengage the parking brake, and then the power comes on for the key. Yeah, and I was having a lot of trouble just trying to get the lights to come on. And I started following wires around. I must have bumped something down here in that mess down there, because all of a sudden everything started working. I just printed out these high voltage stickers that I made customized. Here we go. We've got our high voltage stickers on the battery modules. So if you look here, the sticker has a lot of information just besides that there's a danger. A lot of this is from my own personal reference. So this is a Chevy Volt car that this battery module was pulled out of. We've got the nominal voltage of 48 volts. That's the most important number everybody wants to know. And then the voltage range, how many amp hours the battery contains. And then we have a lot of information about the individual lithium cells, including their own nominal voltage and range, how many amp hours each lithium battery pack has, 3 in parallel, 12 in series. And then we even have the material that the cathodes and anodes are made out of. Like as if a new car that would come out today might look similar to this kind of configuration. So I like it. I like the colors. I did another test drive today. I'm having an issue with the speedometer not powering on. I found the cause. This new wire that I made, the terminal came right off. There we go. All right, if you see, there's a crack in this switch. Like that. So it looks like I'm going to have to get a new switch. All right, it is getting more comfortable to drive the CitiCar with the new accelerator pedal, with that potentiometer, pop box, whatever you want to call it. It feels like the car is not getting up to top speed with the original motor and the original contactors, so I'm not sure if that's the new motor or the controller itself. But the other thing is, this pot box, the connections for that open close switch, they were coming off the other day and they were coming off today. So what I was looking at is the terminals look to be smaller than your average terminal. And so I'm gonna purchase a few connectors, terminal connectors for that size. I feel like these city cars were always breaking down or something, or you really had to know how your way around the wiring and everything to keep the car maintained and in running condition.